Good morning. Today I wish to share with my uh, happiest day. This day I enrolled as an advocate in the year 1981, 2nd December. Actually, on that day, I have reached the bar course very early, but unfortunately, because the friends and relatives accompanied me wanted to take food. Therefore, I took them to food. When I reached back, the 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 advocates to be enrolled were assembled already. So when my number was called, I was little bit late. Our Devadas was the enrollment committee chairman. He made me to stand till the entire proceedings were over. That was the day of me, and that the day of order of bar councils regulating the enrolled advocates. Okay. Prior to my enrollment, I was central government servant. I was a union leader, National Union of Postal Employees. I was circle president of extra departmental agent of entire Maharashtra, and I was circle president of Postal Stock Depot, and I was secretary of Postal Stock Depot stock depot, and I was circle president of motor vehicles union also. And later I was also be a part of INTUC. All those days are gone. And prior to that, I was chairman candidate of Pachayappas College and defeated by conspiracy because they management and others do not want me be elected. Then, when I was at K.C. Sankarlinganadar school, I contest for the president, and I secured 111 votes. And when I was studying at Corporation Chennai, I was elected as a Manavar Mandram secretary. The other person who opposed me secured only 11 votes. I secured the rest of the votes because I am such an extempore orator. When I was at Postal Training Center, Vadodara, I secured 8 medals and happiest trainee of that entire training. These things are my caliber, and then I floated several advocate associations. Initially, I started a Bar Atla Association. I would like to share that incident when everybody was waiting for to attend some ceremony of High Court within the court hall. One barrister advocate was there. He claimed Mr. Gandhi was sitting behind him, other senior advocates were sitting next to them. I was standing behind Sir. He claimed that I am one of the bar at law. I am the only bar at law in the entire hall. Then I said, no sir, one more bar at law is there. He said, who? I said, I showed my identity card issued to my members, Bar at Law Association. Bar is, I said, bar at law. So thereafter I have asked to constitute another association, Madras Sessions Court Advocate Association. So I was the president, Mr. Mohan Krishnan was secretary. Thereafter, we want to bring our criminal side advocate into the high post of Madras High Court Advocate Association. Therefore, we intend to propaganda for R.C. Paul Kanakaraj. Therefore, to make him to introduce, I have started another advocate, the Madras High Court Chamber Alatis Advocate Association. Then I was president, and Mr. Paul Kanakaraj was secretary, general secretary, and Madam Ambiga was our, I think, treasurer or librarian. Like that, so many things. Then I have started everybody wanted me to start a criminal lawyers advocate association of High Court. Therefore, I circulated a book to constitute that therein many veteran lawyers as well as those who are subsequently elevated as judges signed it. I am keeping that still, but we did not float that. This is the way I have served this. Now, I always intend to uplift many number of lawyers from coming from downtrodden area, downtrodden without any background. I want them to be forefront to win everything. This is what had happened. I wish you all that till my last breath, I will definitely serve the young lawyers. And sometimes they also give me unwarranted pressure and unwarranted influence. Sometimes even that I ignore and help them politely, because after all I am at the seat of parentees. Therefore, nothing to worry about all those things. You can approach me at any time for any help, drafting, pleading in any field. I see I am practicing in all fields. That is my habit. Another aspect I would like to share with you, that because today I want to share that rightly or wrongly, knowingly or unknowingly, even those who claim they are atheist and not following the Sanatana, that everybody is eager to horoscope writing of their children. So particularly at the time of birth of child, if anybody want to draft a horoscope, you go to some expert astrologers. But at present there is some problem which has to be worked out. What was the problem? The horoscope of the children used being drafted by following the axis rotation of the earth. Latitude and longitude are being calculated, and particularly the sun rising time is placed most important to draw lagnam for the child. Now, you all know whether no, but kindly try to know this fact that the earth slightly down their axis to 35 centimeters. When 2004 tsunami affected, it was only half inch. Now it is 35 and half inches. So therefore, should be revisited. What will be our longitude or latitude, and what will be sun rising time, so that the exact lagnam will be fixed, which will give you calculation of your 120 years of the child's length life, which is spends half inside the womb. So that's called Garbhakala Chellu. The time spent in the womb before arrival of that child. All these things plays a vital role in fixing horoscope. If that horoscope is exactly fixed, the fate will be a different and exact calculation will be given. Because in one story says, when these maid were directed to throw a lemon when the child born for the king, the maid was initially thrown a lemon. That lemon did not go out immediately; it got back. Thereafter, she again thrown second time. So that few seconds played a vital role the fate of the child. That is probably that history was also filmed in olden days film. So that if that would be the case, if you are really interested to know the fate of the child and proper how to scope their career by following what will be his future by reading the horoscope, then you must definitely the astrologer should concentrate on this area of few seconds variations of longitude and latitude, and also particularly this sun rising time but that particular area, because if you go through the almanac panchangam, they say for every place the rising sun time is varies. So that therefore you be very careful. Best wishes.